Winter, along with the environment, brings changes in the skin also. Even the oily skin of summer tends to get dry and parched in winter. The cold weather brings havoc to our complexion. But you should keep your complexion plump, happy, and luminous even through the winter months. You just need to know how you can take care of your complexion on the chilly winter days. As the winter gets chiller, we start to face problems like tight skin, rough knuckles, and chapped lips. So, in this video, you will know tips and tricks on how you can maintain your skin throughout winter. During winter, using a harsh cleanser will worsen your dry skin. So switch to a gentle and fragrance-free cleanser. You can also use a cream-based cleanser, as using an alcohol-based cleanser will further dry your skin. You can try this Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Facial Cleanser this winter. It is formulated with prebiotic thermal spring water, niacinamide, and ceramide 3. This cleanser takes care of dirt, makeup, and impurities. It also maintains the skin's natural moisture barrier and pH level. It has a gentle cream formula that restores skin's comfort while retaining essential moisture. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Facial Cleanser is dermatologist tested. It leaves your skin comfortable and hydrated. It is also fragrance-free and non-comedogenic in nature. Many of us know that using oil on the skin can sometimes worsen your acne and rosacea. But sometimes the extra dryness from weather influences us to use more essential oil on the skin. As a result, we tend to use oils like pure olive oils or jojoba or argan oil on the skin. In winter, keep in mind not to incorporate these oils because excessive usage of these damages the lipid barrier. If you desperately want to use them, you can mix them with other creams or products. We often forget to take care of our hands. As a result, hands are the most forgotten in winter, and so they can highlight signs of aging while looking dry, lined, and cracked. This winter, to keep your hands moisturized, use a good moisturizer, like the Burt's Bees Hand Salve. Burt's Bees Hand Salve is made with botanical oils, herbs, and beeswax. This hand salve delivers hydration to your hardworking hands. The key ingredient of the hand salve is olive oil. It's a centuries-old Mediterranean oil. Olive oil penetrates quickly and gives you smooth, beautiful, and supple hands. So try this hand salve today to ensure beautiful hands in this cold weather. Many people think that when winter arrives, the sun isn't as harsh as summer, so it isn't necessary to use sunscreen. But that's not the truth. You need to use sunscreen even when the temperature drops in winter, because the sun is still extremely strong and damaging for the skin. So you need to wear sunscreen even in winter. Also make sure you cover your hands and neck, as that will help in holding off premature aging. You can use the Hawaiian Tropic Sheer Touch Ultra Radiance Lotion SPF 30. It is a sunscreen lotion that offers triple enhancement for radiance. It also protects, softens, and leaves your skin glowing. The luxurious sunscreen formula leaves a hint of glow on your skin, which makes your skin feel soft and luminous. This product has an oil-free and non-greasy formula. The Ultra Conditioning formula contains vitamin C and E. It also has mango fruit extract and shea butter for skin-loving sun care. Additionally, the sunscreen is cruelty-free and reef-friendly for your convenience. During winter, we tend to be the laziest. While it's the most comforting thing to snuggle up under a warm blanket and stay in front of the fire, it is also necessary that you remain active and warm yourself up, as it will boost circulation. Being active gives your skin a healthy glow. At least walk 3 times a day to help your skin look more radiant and glowing. These were a few simple tips and tricks to follow properly throughout the winter to keep your skin glowing. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos useful. Be sure to subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates in the future.